Okay, number 5. There are 2 cups of counters. The first cup contains 5 red, 1 yellow, and 4 green. The second cup contains 4 yellow, 3 green, and 3 red. What is the probability that one counter from each cup randomly picked will be red? Put a check mark beside number 5. Remember that every action gets a fraction. So our 2 actions are picking a counter from each cup. So we need 2 fractions. So the first cup has 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So there's 10 counters. The second cup has 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. There's 10 counters. Okay, so we want to pick red. Well, in the first cup, there's 5 red, and in the second cup, there's 3 red. So we need to take these 2 fractions and multiply them together. So we have 5/10 times 3/10 is equal to 5 times 3 is 15, 10 times 10 is 100. So we get 15 hundredths, which is not an answer choice. So I know I probably need to simplify. So 15 and 100 both can be divided by 5. So I'm going to divide by 5. I'm going to rewrite this a little straighter. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So I've simplified my fraction. D matches that. So D would be my probability. Draw a sun around number 6. All right, number 6. A cup contains 5 red, 9 yellow, and 6 green counters. What is the probability, written as a percent, that one counter picked, and this has a typo in it, this should just say will not be yellow. Okay, so I want the ones that are not going to be yellow. Well, I've given you the percent proportion, so I need to know my part and my whole. So I have to know how many counters I have. So I have 5 plus 9 plus 6. Well, 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 6 is 20. So 5 plus 9 plus 6 is 20 counters. So altogether I have 20 counters. And I want to know what percent is out of 100. But I want the ones not yellow. So there's 9 yellow. There's 20 total. So 9 are yellow. So if I subtract, I get 11 that are not yellow. So I want to put 11 out of 20. All right, and then I can just cross multiply. My percent will be my x. I'm solving for my percent. So that's 20 times x. And that's 11 times 100. So 20x is equal to 11 times 1 is 11. And just add my 2 zeros is 1100. Divided by 20, that divides away. Divide by 10 real quick. So I get 110 divided by 2. So 110 divided by 2. 2 goes into 11 5 times. Subtract, bring down. 2 goes in to 10 5 times. And we're done. So the percent that's not yellow is going to be 55%.